Welcome back. Let's do question 331. Solve for x. So this is an equation with fractions. So we need to get rid of the denominator. We have to multiply every term of the equation by the LCD. In this case, the LCD is 6. So it's going to be x times x minus 5 over 6 times 6 minus 1 times 6 is equal to 0 times 6. See that we multiply everything by 6. Then becomes 6 divided by 6 is 1. So we remain with x minus 5 minus 6 is equal to 0. Let's distribute the x here. So it becomes x squared minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. And then the factors of negative 6 that will give us minus 5, negative 5. The factors of negative 6 that will give us negative 5 are negative 6 and positive 1. Okay, negative 6 and positive 1, so it's going to be x negative 6 and positive 1, so it's going to be x minus 6 then x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 6 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 6, or x is equal to negative 1. But remember, we can use this method. X squared minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. So we break these into their factors. X squared to be x and x. And then negative factors of negative 6 that can give us negative 5. Let's just try negative 6 and positive 1. Right. X times negative 6, that's negative 6x. X times 1, that is x. Then negative 6 plus x is negative 5. So that's what we want. X minus 6 and x plus 1. Okay. X minus 6, x plus 1 is equal to 0. And then from there, just continue like what you did here.